welcome back to a second frozen meal review by Ruben. Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to review the new. Last week we did a man-sized Parma. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do the grilled chicken and bacon pasta bake. How good's that? Okay. Let's take a nice review of this. Okay, so what we'll have a look at that is, we'll definitely have a look at the energy consumption. So let's grab a nice focus on that. And then we'll also focus on the 5 steps to cooking this thing. So, I'm just going to read this out. I'm going to read it out to you. Okay. 1, energy is 787 what is it, calories. That's good. That's good. Someone who does any kind of bodybuilding and all that kind of stuff needs to maintain a certain amount of calories. 787 is pretty good. And so for this one, this is the 480 gram net, 50% larger pasta bake. Now, I do remember last time the picture looked great. Let's hope that the picture looks, hopefully it looks pretty good in there. Once again, we're going to rate it. Is it going to be a thumbs up or is it going to be a thumbs down? So, stage 1, the instructions are: remove frozen meal from carton, place meal onto microwave oven. You know what comes next. It's the tab. Oh, that one did work as well. Got wrecked halfway. Alright, let's have a look at it. Oh. No, it's not as colourful as the other one. It should be alright. We'll manage. Stage 2. Cook it on high for 5 minutes. Microwave. Different microwave to last time, so let's have a look at this particular microwave. Door, pop it out. Alright. It's not digital, so this is one of those old-fashioned dial ones. So what we need to do is make sure that it's on high. I know it's on high. It says it right there. This dial thing, we may have to do a couple of shots on that. Don't know. It goes up to 2, 3 minutes. Let's go. You got to turn the power on. So make sure the power's on. All right, let's go. Let's give it 2 minutes, and then we'll give it another 2 minutes. 1 minute to give us the 5 minutes. Okay, time to give it a bit of a check. Let's stop it. The instructions say, take it out, pull the film back, give it a bit of a stir, put it back in for another 2 minutes. Let's give that a shot. We'll let that go. 2 minutes, give it another crack. And we've put it in for another 2.5 minutes. So that 2.5 minutes is coming to an end, so it should be ready to go. The next steps on that will be basically pull it, stir it, let it sit for 2 minutes. So let's take it out. Let's take that out. Does it look like the pick? Your guess is as good as mine. Let's do the taste test. It smells okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to eat it, then we're going to go rate it. So let's give that a shot and we'll see how we go. So let's summarize. It says grilled chicken and bacon, cream pie sauce, creamy pasta bake sauce. Said it was man sized. Said it's 50% larger. Grilled chicken and bacon, creamy pasta bake. It is a 480-gram net. Okay. The nutritional information on this particular one was that we had 787 calories. Bang. I'm specifically buying ones that are higher in the calories because I'll eat once and I'll go throughout the whole night. 43%, 43.2 grams of protein. Fats are 33.6. Carbs are 74.9. So when you balance it out, I haven't eaten much throughout the whole day, so this kind of make up sort of things. And your sodium is 1440 mg in terms of that. So, did it look like the picture? I'm not too sure if it actually looked like the picture. What I found was the red capsicum was a little bit too small, or just little chunks here and there. The bacon was very, very tiny pieces. The chicken was alright. It was decent sized, bite-sized pieces. I think the bacon might have been okay, but it's more that it's only got one vegetable really in there. Does it do the job? It does the job. Will I buy it again? Not too sure. Not too sure. I guess I'm going to have to buy everything else in the process under this particular range before I go back to this one. So, is this a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Well, you like pasta? It might be a thumbs up. For me, I like a more drier food. I would have thought that would have been a little bit dry in that creamy sauce. So in this instance, from my end, I'm going to go, for me, yeah, it didn't do it. It didn't hit the mark. At 50% larger, I'd hate to see what it would have been smaller, what size it would have been smaller. So 480 gram there. This might not fill me and get me through the night. So for me, this one's fail. I'm Ruben. Hey, got the opportunity, like and subscribe. These are going to come out on a weekly basis. So like, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll take it from there. And you'll be notified every week when I'm uploading one of these things. Enjoy. Peace out. Next time.